In this video, I wanted to point out the difference between the velocity and speed. So often when we talk about some function f, we can think of it as a position of some object moving along a straight line. And in this interpretation, the derivative is called the velocity, the second derivative is called the acceleration, and then the absolute value of the velocity is called speed. So the velocity can be positive or negative, depending on whether the object is moving in the positive direction or in the negative direction. But the speed is always positive, so we just forget about the direction. And because of this, you can have a situation like the one depicted in the graph, where the acceleration is actually positive, but the speed is decreasing. And that's because on this interval, the object is moving in the negative direction. So the velocity or the derivative is going from very large negative values to smaller negative values. So the velocity is increasing, and the second derivative is positive. You can also see that on this interval, the function is concave up. But on the other hand, if you forget about the direction, or you forget about the negative sign of the velocity, you can also see that the speed is actually decreasing despite the fact that the acceleration is positive.